So बच्चे 24th chapter we are going to start, that is introduction to computers. Nowadays a box full of electrical circuits named as computer has brought complete revolution in every sphere of human activity. This box made up of electrical circuits brought a complete revolution in our life. Today, computers are in widespread use in almost every aspect of present day society. They are used to make reservation of seats on railway and air flights, to forecast the weather, to diagnose diseases, to prepare customers' invoices in business houses, to keep a record of everything. We have to depend on computer now. So customer transactions in banks, even to keep a track on criminals on the run. In fact, computers have become indispensable in almost every field of science and research, technology, transport, communication, commerce, and industry. Today, the computers are used not only by mathematicians, scientists, and engineers alone, but even the typesetting of the newspapers we read early in the morning and the programs we watch on TV late in the night are composed with the help of computers. So, computers are nowadays being used on a large scale in the business houses for a number of manual functions. They are now used for recording and posting business transactions, preparing wages and salary sheets, and keeping effective stock control, preparing bills, maintaining purchase and sale ledger, etc. So, computer perform all the accounting operations at a phenomenal speed and with a high degree of accuracy. So, it is very important for us now. Have a look on the meaning of computer. According to Webster's dictionary, a computer is an automatic electronic machine for performing calculations. But it cannot be defined merely a calculating machine because it is capable of answering the questions based on the data stored inside it. According to International Standard Organization or ISO, a computer is a data processor that can perform substantial computations, including numerous arithmetical and logic operations without intervention by a human operator during the run. So, बच्चे, thus a computer may be defined as a machine in which a lot of information or data can be stored so that the data can be used in future. It means that it has a good memory and any part of information stored in it can be recalled as and when needed. Information stored in it is not always in numbers. It may be in words or codes, etc. It can also perform various calculations at a very high speed. For example, if a person takes, say, about 5 minutes to do some calculations with pencil and paper, a computer can easily do it in 1 by 10,000th part of a second. So, computer is a very speedy device. So, following are the characteristics, features, or capabilities of a computer. A kind of computer and its capabilities. A computer is an automatic machine. It runs automatically. Once the data and instructions are fed into a computer, it executes them one by one without human intervention. Means no need of human intervention. Automatically it works. You just have to give command to the computer, nothing more than that. It is an automatic machine. Second, bache, memory and storage. The memory of a computer is so large that it can store any volume of information or data for being processed. Such information can be stored in it on a permanent basis on magnetic disks, floppy disks, and purchase cards, punched cards, or microfilms, etc. Computer can store a large amount of data. Its memory is very high and very vast, and you can anytime get that information back. You can make changes in that information also. So speed bache, computer is having very high speed. Computers are known for their lightning speed of operations. The speed is so high that it is ordinarily expressed in microseconds. 1 microsecond is equal to 1 by 10 lakh of 1 second. So it's a very high speed machine. It works very speedily. Accuracy bache, accuracy is also one of the accuracy is also one of the very good capability, good feature of computer. Computers are extremely accurate. Their operations are error free, and as such, the information obtained from it is highly reliable. Of course, sometimes we hear funny stories about the mistakes committed by the computers, but the real culprit is not the computer but the operator who feeds inaccurate data into it. Computer never makes any mistake. Human can, but computer never. Diligence. A man may feel mental and physical fatigue after long working hours, but a computer never gets tired like a human being. It can work continuously for many days at a time and never says that I'm tired. So, diligence means computer will never say that I am tired. He can work 24/7 continuously. Scientific approach. A computer operates scientifically and never gets emotional while solving the problems. So no emotions are there in computer. Versatile machine. A computer is capable of performing a wide variety of jobs. It can switch over from one program to another according to the instructions fed into it. Means very speedily you can change your instructions and it will start changing your its functions also. So usage of special language, we feed data into the computer in English, but a computer understand different languages like basic, COBOL, Pascal, Fortran. They are the different languages of computer. We will insert data in English, but they will understand it in different way. Detailed instructions, we have to give them detailed instructions in order to solve the problems with the help of computer. All information relating to that problem are fed into the computer in a logical sequence. And use of binary system, computer only understand two things, 0 and 1, that is the binary digits, and computer just only understand that.